A blue whale's heart is the size of a small car, beating powerfully to fuel the mightiest creature to ever roam the oceans. Imagine this colossal organ, weighing as much as a grand piano, pumping blood through a body that stretches longer than a basketball court. Each heartbeat can be heard from miles away, resonating through the deep sea like a distant drum. The blue whale, a gentle giant of the waters, relies on this massive heart to sustain its incredible journeys across the globe, diving to depths that defy comprehension. With every pulse, it circulates life, driving the whale's majestic presence through the vast, mysterious ocean depths. As you scroll, consider the wonder of nature's engineering masterpiece, a living testament to the extraordinary scale of life beneath the waves.